Brady M510 Portable Industrial Label Printer Kit Review. Real field results worth knowing. Ever stood in a dim electrical room, squinting at a tiny label printer screen, trying to punch in 48 panel circuits by hand while the clock runs against you? I remember watching a field technician nearly reprint an entire wire marker set because one entry error cascaded through the whole sequence. The frustration was visible. If that scene feels familiar to you, drop a comment below. That knot-in-the-stomach feeling of wasted labels, dead batteries mid-job, and cartridges that require a manual to swap out quietly drains more energy than the work itself. Generic fixes made it worse, not better. Cheaper printers smeared, older models ran out of power before lunch. But somewhere between all that frustration and the next big job, there is a calmer and smarter way to work. Do not just pick any portable industrial label printer. Make sure it has auto-detecting drop-in cartridges so you never suffer through manual setting adjustments or misprinted label runs in the field again. Then I discovered the Brady M510 Portable Industrial Label Printer Kit sitting in a technician's tool bag on a commercial installation job, and everything clicked immediately. The 300 dots per inch edge-to-edge printing produces sharp, readable labels even at small font sizes, which matters enormously for wire markers and compliance tags. The dual battery system, including a high-capacity lithium-ion option rated for up to 4,400 labels per charge, means all-day fieldwork without hunting for an outlet. Over 250 drop-in cartridges covering heat shrink, self-laminating vinyl, polyester, and more snap in and auto-configure instantly. The dedicated numeric keypad accelerates barcode entry and serialized label sequences dramatically. Here is what surprised me. A maintenance supervisor printing a full breaker panel schedule realized mid-job he had loaded the wrong cartridge. One snap, automatic detection, no reprints, no delays. Job done on time. Let me be honest, the cartridge cost is higher than generic options, but that long-term reliability story is exactly what comes next. After consistent daily use, the Brady M510 Portable Industrial Label Printer Kit stops feeling like equipment and starts feeling like a trusted crew member. Labels hold on painted metal, stainless panels, and powder-coated enclosures without peeling or fading. Serialization runs that once took 20 minutes now finish in under 5. The hard carrying case keeps every component organized and accounted for between jobs. An industrial labeling specialist noted that the M510's automatic cartridge recognition system holds 300 dots per inch print accuracy consistently across all material types, including the demanding heat shrink and polyester formats. A field technology reviewer who used it across multiple job sites described the carrying case alone as genuinely underrated, saying it made missing components essentially impossible. An industry analyst confirmed the Brady workstation software ecosystem creates a platform depth that competing portable printers have not matched at this form factor. A data center technician shared that switching between label material types mid-installation no longer requires any manual parameter adjustment at all. Now, the proprietary cartridges do cost more than generic alternatives, and that is a fair consideration. But the compliance accuracy and zero-waste auto-detection more than recover that difference over a full project cycle. What would eliminating label reprints entirely do for your next installation timeline? The Brady M510 Portable Industrial Label Printer Kit gives field professionals something genuinely rare, a portable label printer that keeps up without compromise across a full working day. Thousands of electricians, network technicians, and facility maintenance teams are already running cleaner, faster labeling workflows because of it. Results may vary depending on application and environment. Just so you know, this video contains affiliate links, and I may earn a small commission at no cost to you. The affiliate link is in the description and pinned comment. Come explore the difference today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.